In today's video, we're talking about two of the most talked about all-in-one marketing platforms, GoHighLevel and System.io. What's up guys, I'm Kyle. And if you've ever thought there's got to be that one tool that does everything, this video will help you decide which one might actually be the right fit for your business. Both platforms promise an all-in-one solution. Funnels, emails, automations, CRM, and more. But they take very different approaches. By the end of this video, you'll understand the key strengths of each platform, where they differ in features and strategy, what type of businesses each is best for, and a simple rule for choosing the right one. If you want to try either of these platforms yourself, check the links in the description for extended free trials. Let's dive in. Both GoHighLevel and System.io market themselves as all-in-one business platforms that replace multiple tools. Typically, small businesses stack landing page builders, CRM and contact databases, email and SMS tools, funnels, automations and workflows, membership hosting, and payment processes. The promise is simple. Instead of paying $50 to $200 per month for 5 tools, you pay one monthly fee and do it all in one place. But as you'll see, the way each platform approaches that promise is different, and that's where your choice matters. Let's start with GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel was built from the ground up for agencies, service-based businesses, and businesses focused on high-touch client workflow. Here's what sticks out about GHL. Automation is central. Workflows are extremely powerful. Triggers, conditions, branch logic, delays, tagging, all designed to let you automate follow-ups, pipelines, calendars, and more, in ways that actually mimic how a team would actually work. GoHighLevel treats leads like assets. You actually track deals, move contacts through sales stages, and measure conversions, not just send emails. Whether you're an agency managing clients or service businesses booking appointments, GoHighLevel gives you tools to scale beyond basic email funnels. SMS, email, social, everything funnel in one place. So you don't have to bounce between apps. The trade-offs: the learning curve is steeper, the interface is dense for beginners. It assumes your business has leads, follow-ups, and client workflows. In short, it's powerful, but it's designed for real business process automation, not just marketing funnels. Now let's talk about System.io. System.io is most popular among course creators, info product sellers, simple funnel builders, and people who want one tool to replace ClickFunnels, MailChimp, and Teachable. Here's where it shines: simplicity over complexity. The interface is intuitive and easy to pick up. You can build funnels, set up email sequences, launch a course, and sell products in minutes. Secondly, courses and membership hosting is built in. If you're launching digital products or a membership site, System.io makes it simple without plugins or extra costs. Thirdly, you have built-in payments. Stripe and PayPal connect, and you can saddle products, handle upsells, order bumps, and more inside the same system. And lastly, it has email marketing and basic automation. It includes sequences, triggers, and tags, but it's simpler than GoHighLevel's workflows. The trade-offs: funnels and emails are great, but advanced automation is limited. No native SMS support without integrations. CRMs and pipelines are basic compared to GoHighLevel. In short, System.io is great for beginners selling courses or products, especially if you don't need deep client automation workflow. Key difference number 1: automation workflows. This is where the platforms rarely diverge in philosophy. GoHighLevel gives you true automation logic, triggers and conditions, branching, tag-based progression, and multi-channel follow-ups, such as SMSs, emails, and voicemail drops. This is designed for business processes, not just campaign sequences. System.io offers automation within funnels: tag, email, next tag, sequences that follow a time-based approach. This is perfect for simple campaigns, but it doesn't replace a full CRM automation, where actions trigger actions based on behavior. If you're running a high-volume service business, GoHighLevel's automation is the deeper system. If you're running a digital product launch or a simple nurture sequence, System.io gets the job done quickly and simply. Key difference number 2: CRM and pipelines. For businesses that need to track deal stages, revenue forecasting, sales velocity, and team accountability, GoHighLevel CRM and pipelines are much more robust. System.io has contact lists and tags, but it's not built for multi-stage pipeline management. So if you rely on tracking leads through stages: discovery, qualified, Proposal 1, GHL is built for that. System.io is more linear. Leads go into sequences and products. Key difference number 3, messaging channels. GoHighLevel natively supports emails, SMSs, conversations, inbox, and web chat. System.io supports email sequences and third-party SMS via integrations. If multi-channel communication matters, especially SMS, GoHighLevel has the edge. Key difference number 4, funnels, courses, and e-commerce. System.io shines in courses and memberships, paid products and upsells, order bumps, and sales funnels that sell products. GoHighLevel does funnels, but it's not as streamlined for digital product selling or courses out of the box. If selling digital courses or products is your primary goal, System.io may feel more intuitive. Here's a simpler way to decide. Choose GoHighLevel if you want deep automation, you're a service-based business, you need pipeline tracking, you want multi-channel messaging, or you're building systems that replace a team. Choose System.io if you want simplicity and speed, you're selling digital products or courses, you want funnels with shipping carts plus upsells, and you don't need advanced workflows. Let's clear up a few things that people commonly misunderstand. Misconception number 1. System.io has better funnels. System.io's funnel is simpler, not better. Better depends on your goals. Misconception number 2. GHL is overkill for basic businesses. If you don't plan to automate follow-ups or track pipelines, yes, GHL might feel heavy at first. Misconception number 3. You need both. Many people think that they need a funnel tool plus CRM plus email plus automation tool, but both platforms aim to replace that stack. The only question is, how deep do you need the system to go? So what should you choose? If you want a quick rule, pick the platform that matches the complexity of your business workflow. For simple funnels, products, and beginner marketing, System.io. For advanced automation, service pipelines, and multi-channel communication, GoHighLevel. And remember, both offer trials, so you can test this logic inside your own business before committing. If you're still undecided, I recommend starting with what you need today, not what you might need later. Go into each platform, build a simple funnel or automation, and see which workflow you enjoy using. If you want to try either of these yourself, the links in the description give you access to extended free trials. Just so you know, those are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. That support helps us keep creating free step-by-step tutorials like this. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which platform you went with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.